It's hard to understand the love you have for me. Yet you've opened my eyes and you set me free. And I will humbly abide in thee, Jesus, Lord of my ways, Lord of all my days, my Lord, you I praise. Time passing by. Don't be tossed to and fro from every stone that passes by. Make your dwelling on the rock of salvation. For the winds will blow and the storms will rage, but you shall not be moved. On the rock of salvation, don't let your love go. For today is the day, my friend, and as for tomorrow, just might be too late. Today's the day of salvation, please. Surrender your life to Him. Kneel down at the foot of the cross and ask Jesus to come into your heart. Let the Lord into your heart. For today is the day of salvation. Today is the day of salvation.